Control away the pieces that you gave, betray in a way. Often I'm stuck on my back. How could you do this? We've been through this for a while. Once secure, now it's just gone. Hold me not, give me back my mind. My thoughts that you're taking stop me to care. Could the night help me shut you out? She gave me a lesson not to go and die, but I already died. To latch myself out of your space, far away, until the distance passes its line. It's a new journey, my heart has had enough of pain. Once a fool, now I'm away.
I'm sorry, but don't wanna talk. I need a moment before I go. It's nothing personal. I draw the blinds. They don't need to see me cry, 'cause even if they understand, they don't understand. So then when I'm finished, I'm all about my business and ready to save the world. I'm taking my misery, making my bitch can be everyone's favorite girl. So take aim and fly away. I've never been so wide awake. No, nobody but me can keep me safe, and I'm on my way. The black moon is on the rise, a fire burning in my eyes. No, nobody but me can keep me safe, and I'm on my way.
Lo siento mucho, pero me voy, porque a tu lado me di cuenta que nada soy. Y me cansé de luchar y de guerrear en vano, de estar en la línea de fuego y de meter la mano. Acepto mis errores, también soy humano, y tú no ves que lo hago porque te amo. Pero ya no tengo más nada que hacer aquí. Me voy, llegó la hora de partir de mi propio camino, seguir lejos de ti.
So take aim and fly away. I've never been so wide awake. No, nobody but me can keep me safe, and I'm on my way. The black moon is on the rise, a fire burning in my eyes. No, nobody but me can keep me safe, and I'm on my way.
Perpisahan mengajarkan kita bahwa tiap detik bersama itu adalah berkah dan koleksi. Perpisahan itu bukanlah akhir dari kehidupan, tetapi langkah awal seberapa kuat kita meneruskan hidup berbeda.
Untuk kalian semua latihan 19, semoga kita lulus dengan nilai memuaskan dan selamat untuk kalian menempuh hidup yang baru dan pendidikan yang baru. See you guys!